How to create a folder on home screen on Android. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. It's very easy and simple method. You just have to tap and hold any icon on your desktop and drag it to the other icon, and here you will see that a folder has been created. So you can tap on this folder and tap on this, and you can edit the name of the folder. Tap on done button, and here as you can see the folder has been created. You can add more icon or more apps to the folder. Similar ways you can be able to create more folders on your desktop. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.